Your AI agent is presently lying to you. And here is why. It tells you it has fixed something, or it has sent you or sent an email out to probably your coworker, your boss, or something, or it tells you that it has fixed a particular bug. But at the end of everything, you check it out for proof record or something, and you realize that nothing was actually sent. No emails were sent, no bugs was fixed. It didn't literally do anything. Your AI was only hallucinating. And here is how you can fix it. The funny thing is, by the time you check everything, nothing is actually happening. And this AI has just wasted your token, it has wasted your time, and it has make you look somehow bad in front of your probably your boss, your friend. Now, let's talk about how this happened and how we can fix it. You can actually make money from your agent instead of donating to your cloud billing, like paying Claude or paying Google huge amount of money, and you are not actually getting results because your bot is hallucinating. We are basically being sold autonomous employees, but what is actually happening? Most agents are basically just autocomplete. You still need to do one or two things before those agents can do so many things. And one of the funny thing is a lot of people have been saying so much about cloud bots being autonomous, but the actual truth is still that they aren't. They are just bots that predict what you want, like a actual result that you want. They predict it and they give you results based on that. But basically, your bots or any autonomous bots or agents are gambling addictive. And they do these four painful things. They hallucinate tools, they get stuck in the loop, and they repeat the same thing over and over again while burning your tokens. And this can be very frustrating. You know what I'm saying, most especially if you're making use of CloudBots, or should I say Openclaw, or Multbots. Okay, but the actual trademark here is Openclaw. The confirm outcomes that were never verified, emails that were never sent, bugs that were never fixed, and so many other things. And the last of all is the annoying fact of lies about memory. They tell you lies that your autonomous agents can remember everything, which this remembering everything actually means is going to burn so much token from the time you send your first message to the bot to the time you are almost closing your section. At that ending point, you have already spent, let's say, about $100 just to figure out that your bot has been lying to you and has been in a loop of hallucination. Half of the time they promise these autonomous bots understand or remember what you are saying, you figure out that they keep asking you, what is this? What is that? What is this? They won't even remember the tools you told them to install until you point them to the right direction, which is actually killing the point of autonomous employee. Because how would you tell your employee to do something and after about 10 minutes or 15 minutes your employee has forgotten what you asked it to do? Let's just cut the crap. And if you've never seen or experienced this in real life, let me give you the most dangerous version. You'll be amazed. And I call it the confidence lie. I presently have set up my Openclaw and I was working on a project which we were doing some editing and some improvements on that project. And I told it to do this. And after all, it didn't even remember what informations that I've given it in the past few hours, or even information that you've given it yesterday, and it tells me done. And after I check all the things that it said it has done, I figure out it hasn't done anything. And that point of typing, explaining things, And at the end of everything, you figure out that it didn't even save all of those conversations. It can't even remember all of those things. And it can really, really, really be frustrating when we type in, hearing your bot say it has done this, I've sent it, I've fixed this. It actually sounds legit and right. But the actual truth is, it didn't do any shit. It even wrote perfect code, clean, organized, with nice commenting. And by the time you test it, you find out that that code does not even exist and is not even carrying out the function that you want it to carry out. Or even if it carries out something close to that function that you expect it to carry out, you would later find out that it's not going to work the way you expect it to work. And if you're not the type that check the log, you won't know the commands are not running, the files are not sent, the bugs are not fixed. And the funny thing is, it is all just performance, and a very expensive one, if you'd ask me. And this is why agents looks like magic, because you watch them talk, you watch them explain. Oh, I'm doing this, I figure out this bug, I'm fixing this, and now I've come to the conclusion of doing this, and this. It is all an amazing standard performance. Honestly, trust me, that is how those bots are built. Sometimes those bots would even compliment you and say something like, oh wow, you're being smart, oh nice choice, you've selected something very nice, oh you're thinking ahead, oh you're doing this, doing that, doing this. But whoa, it's just performance. That is how they are built. But I figure out a way to actually fix something like this. How to instruct your bot to actually follow instructions. If you've been watching this video since you've clicked it to this point, that means I'm making sense and you're actually seeing the picture in what I'm saying. So do well by smashing that like button, dropping a comment, and letting me know what a bot or an agent has actually done that's probably annoyed you a lot. Now, let's go back to how to fix this. You don't treat them like an employee, you treat your agent or your bot like an intern, a junior intel, not just even a middle class intel. Intels can help, but you don't let your intels actually sign a particular job if it's done or not. You have to intentionally verify. My number one fix is add code those tools that you've installed for your bot. Don't let your agent guess what tool exists. Let it know that you have WhatsApp in your system, or you have Telegram in your system, or any other application, and this is what you should use Telegram for, this is what you should use WhatsApp for. Give it strict descriptions. Let your agent know the name of the tools that are available for it, the parameters, how it should output, and also field cases, including a success example. If the tool isn't in the list, it doesn't exist, and that is period. That alone kills the made up command problem. Fix number two, the validation step. And the rule is your agent should never verify any job done unless you verify yourself and you actually mark it as done. Come back to your agent and tell it, yeah, I verified that what you did has actually been done. So whenever your bot tells you I've sent an email, you verify if that email has actually been sent. Or when your agent tells you it has fixed a bug, you need to actually check and verify. Click on those buttons and verify if it has actually fixed that bug. Even after it tells you that it has deployed something, you need to also verify if it's actually deployed it. Don't just assume. You can't trust these bots because they are excellent performers. Or basically, you ask your bot to send you proof after it has done something. It has sent an email, it should send you a screenshot. That is if you didn't install probably your Openclaw on a VPS. If it's on your Mac or something, then it can send you a screenshot, or probably if particular parts of that email that was sent, or copy you in that email. Fix number 3, memory management. Real memory, not vibes. Store business rules outside the model. Risk limits, allowed actions, client consents, never delete production data, or always verify before deleting. And this way, your agent doesn't need to remember. They only need to retrieve all these rules while you send out informations each time. And bonus tips, because this is where money leaks. Set max retries, max spend per task, times out, and don't duplicate actions. If an agent fails twice, it should escalate like an Intel should do. In my next video, I'll be showing you how I prompt my agent to be able to actually perform at its best, doesn't delete datas, doesn't go against anything that I set up. It actually even save me tokens and let me know that it's saving me tokens. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I do this, and I would really love if you can smash that subscribe button, like this video, so that people like yourself would see this video. And I know so many of you have watched videos on how to install Openclaw in your server, on your Mac, on so many other things. But if you still want me to make a video like that, because I literally plan not to, but if you guys want me to, I would definitely do that. And yeah, below this video in the description, you would see the link to the cheapest VPS ever in the whole world. This is the cheapest VPS you can ever get. You can actually run your Openclaw for a whole full year for less than $50. Comment agent, and I would send you every prompt needed for your agent to actually perform at its best, even before the next video is out. In my next video, you watch and you see how mine actually react to everything. Don't forget to smash that like button. Like I said, share this video with a friend, family, and enemies. Okay, so that's it for today, and let's get back to work.